In this lecture, we are going to talk about selections. To make a selection in Photoshop, there are many tools we can use. There is, for example, the rectangular marquee tool, and you can see what it does in the picture. There is the lasso tool. There is the quick selection tool. And if we click here, we can see there are other hidden tools inside. Same thing here, there are other tools, and same thing here, there are other tools. For now, we're gonna use the rectangular marquee tool, and we're gonna make a selection right here. We're gonna select the head of the horse, just like that. And now we have the selection. We have here what we call the marching ants, which means this area is now selected. With the mouse, we can move our selection here or here, whatever we want, we can move it. We can add to the selection by clicking this button or maintaining shift, and now we can add to our selection just like this. I'm gonna go back. We can subtract from selection by clicking this button or using the shortcut Alt, maintain Alt, and now there is a minus sign. As you can see, now we subtract just like this. And the final tool, which is the intersect with selection, I'm going to show you what it does. Now only the intersection between the two selections will be selected, just like this. We can use this tool, of course, or we can press Shift and Alt at the same time, and now the tool is selected, the intersect with selection tool. We get the same result, but it's much easier. Okay, once we have our selection, we can draw inside it, for example, and it will only be applied inside the selection. We can edit fill. We can fill it with a certain color, for example, just like this. Now it's all filled with this color. Undo. We can move the entire part from here to here, and there are many other things we can do with the selection tool, and we're gonna see that later in the course.